Yeah. Welcome back, guys. What's up? We're here. We're on another video of building our clan base. Unfortunately, Raffle is not here for us. You want to say hi, new fella? New one to the YouTube? Yeah, we trolled him. Stay Bulldog. Remember him, guys? If you don't, go watch out. Yeah. Yeah, go check them out, guys. Always subscribe. Don't leave dislikes. I hate dislikes. Whenever I see one, I will ban you from YouTube. I will. Only? I play that too. I play that too. Do you see my video? No, just, it's on my channel. Go watch my one video. It's called Balloons Tower Defense Battles. Go watch that. I tell everybody they're on YouTube because dude, I leave comments on the most popular channel in the world. I just do that, and then they go check it out, go in the comments, boom, they click on my channel, and then they find my channel and subscribe and like. Oh, god dang it, I stuck myself. Oh yeah, you're supposed to put it on Google Plus and show me it. But if the ladders are like this. Stop that, dude. It's annoying, really. Why aren't you watching my channel? Okay. Okay. I don't know where ladders are. I'm pretty. Oh, never mind. I found them. I found them. Never mind. All right, man. I'm gonna. Okay, let's make a bridge where they can just go to all their bases, but it's made out of bedrock so they don't break it. Come on, dude. Come and help me over here. I'm over here at the bridge. I know. Pretty epic. Okay. Wait, no. We're building out this way this time. That's what we're doing. This is a bridge. So they don't break it and then make people fall by trolling. Go on the other side and build out like me. Just do as many as I just did right there. And then go up to. Just copy what I'm doing. We have to build them a decent house. That's the bad thing that we have to do, though. We are 5 minutes in the video, guys. Should we do a like spike? Guys, if you don't know what a like spike is, I just made it up. Plus, I found it on another channel, and I think I should do it on my channel. What you do is click that like button and see how many likes we get per second. So, yeah. You want to do a like spike, man? You want to do a like spike? Ready? Set. You have to say like spike too, whenever I say it. Ready? Set. Like spike! Nice. Alright, we did a like spike there. Now let's see how many likes we got. Oh dang, okay. Nice. Nice. Oh, nice. Pretty difficult what I'm building, eh? We're post. This is so easy to build. Why are you laughing? Oh, in my video? In my video? Guys, if you want to build this with us, just go check out our channels and just do that. Doing. I don't know. Yeah. Pretty sure. We have to build them a decent base. We have to build 999 of these. Yeah. Correctly? Or what are you trying to say? There we go. I made stairs. I don't care. It's my channel. I do whatever I want. You don't know how to build this? It's simple. Wait, let me check. Okay, let me check. Let me go down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it right. Let me check. Oh, you made it one too small. One too small. Just one too small. Just add one more layer. Oh wait, let me check. Let me check. I don't. You still need to add a layer. I know how to do that. Wait. You just need to, like this. Look, like this. See? Like this. And then do this, like this. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. And then you do this, like this, and then this. No, I did that wrong. Like this, like this. Is it back? Yeah, you're supposed to do the back. Okay, never mind. Okay. Can you put that back how you had it? Let me see. Like this. You can mess this one up. Okay. And then we can just fix it probably at some point. Yeah. I'm making a balcony for this guy. I'm making a little balcony for this guy. Whoever's gonna live in it. How many players can fit in one whole map of a Minecraft Xbox 360? Okay, then 8 of them. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. It's almost 15 minutes long. Bye bye guys. See you in the next one. I'll see you in my next intro.